Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chicken and rice in a slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I'm going to use some rice and frozen mixed vegetables for this. It's a pretty simple recipe. So I'm going to use equal parts rice, vegetables, and water. So I'm going to use 2 cups of rice. I'll just show you one. So I'll put the other one in a minute. So it'll be 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of these frozen mixed vegetables, and then 2 cups of water. And I've used, this is jasmine rice. I've used brown rice as well and it turned out pretty good. Now I'm going to add one of these chicken bouillon cubes to this. It says to use 2 cups of water with one of these cubes, so that's what I've used. There's 2 cups of water in there. So I'll try to crumble that up the best I can there. And also going to add just a little bit of pepper and a little bit of onion powder. You know I like my onion powder, so we'll sprinkle in a little onion powder there as well, maybe a tablespoon or so, and we'll get this all mixed up the best that I can. For the chicken, I'm going to use these 4 chicken thighs. These were $2.99 a pound. This is 1.95 pounds. So these were $5.83. I was actually going to get boneless, skinless thighs, but those are like $7 a pound or something, so I might forget that. So I'm just going to use these, and I'm going to pull the skin off. I guess you could use breasts if you wanted as well, but I don't really like the way the skin turns out in the slow cooker, so I'm going to pull it off. Plus I don't want the extra fat in there really, so if you run hot water over the chicken like that, the skin will usually just pull right off, and then you can just pull the skin right off like that. Before I get the lid on, I'm going to season the chicken with some of this Kinder's Mild Barbecue Rub on both sides. This is kind of like seasoning salt, so you could use seasoning salt if you wanted, or just salt and pepper, or even chicken seasoning, just whatever you like. Now we'll get the lid on there. Now I'm going to cook this for 3.5 hours on high. It's been 2.5 hours and this chicken looks like it might be done to me. I'm going to check the temperature with my quick read thermometer. Oh yeah, that's done. You want it at least 165. That's well above that. So I'm just going to shut it off right there. I'll let this cool down for a little bit. Let's see how it looks now. Here's how the chicken looks underneath. Looks good. And you can see the rice. Looks like it's cooked pretty well, and the vegetables. So let me get some on a plate and we'll give it a taste test. This rice is not very salty, which is good because I like putting a little bit of soy sauce on there and eating it that way. Let's cut into the chicken and see how it looks here. Alright, that looks pretty good. Okay, we cut off a piece here and we'll try it out. One thing I will say is the chicken is a little bit drier this way, and I think it's, for one, because I took the skin off, but also I think the rice soaks up a lot of the moisture in the pot as well. But it is healthier that way. Let's see what Annie the taste test dog thinks. If she chokes, we'll know it's dry. Well, she had to chew a little more than normal, but not bad, I guess. So that took 3.5 hours to cook the other day, but it was done in 2.5 today. But I did have the pot turned on in the beginning of the video when I was getting everything in there and stuff, so that might be why. So I'll say 3.5 on high, but you might be able to start checking it at about 2.5. Anyway, I'll write all the ingredients in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys.